Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix meta verification is not available on Facebook. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and if you want to be meta verified on Facebook but it's not available or it's not working, here first I'm going to show you where to find it. So we're going to tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. And after that, we're going to scroll all the way down and tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, choose Settings. Now we're going to tap on Account Center, scroll all the way down, and as you see here, we have show that your profile is verified. So we'll trust with Meta Verified. Here, if you're trying to become a member but it's not working, actually there are some requirements to get this feature. So we have first, you have to be younger than 18 years old. Your account must be not a business account, so you must have a personal account. Also, turn on two-factor authentication. So just make sure that you meet these requirements, and then you can just tap on become a member and then go through the steps to become a member of Meta Verified. But if you meet all these requirements but it still doesn't work, well, here it might be because it's not available in your country yet. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.